Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day. Today is the last trading day of the month and the last trading day of the week. And we have amazing volatility, especially at the Asian session and even in the beginning of the London morning session. Most of my traders bank 100 plus pips. Even at the New York session, few of them bank amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market and help my traders to squeeze amazing pips. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. All right, so the EURUSD, if you look at here, our bias is long now, as I mentioned my trader, that if the price is going to break this previous low, which is broken, and after that price develop a false breakout, that's the good sign for reversal. We had in the Asian session, you can see here, we have this bullish engulfing candle. So technically you can see inside candle, but inside the candle we have this bullish engulfing candle. Price broken above this resistance level, broken the mid structure, so we were expecting a long. So we had beautiful long trade here, bank amazing profit. And afterwards, as always, after the breakout, we were expecting another pullback at this level, and which we had it, beautiful pullback long trade, and most of the traders bank amazing profit. Let me share with you how I analyze the entries and exit in intraday. If you look at the intraday system, and let me make it slightly bigger. Okay, so this is the let me share with you. Yeah, this is the analysis I did at the Asian session. That was a pretty straightforward breakout. After the breakout, price broken here. After the breakout, price develop a pullback. That's give us the sign. And as soon as the price broke this one, we have another scaling trade here. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, that's what I explained to my traders. It's time to enjoy some profit. Let's look if you can get another pullback. And at the New York session, you can see here price develop a sideways market. We have price came back here. We were expecting, looking here, if the price gonna respect, taking a long, otherwise short here. As you can see, that's what I explained to my trader. Let the price break out this sideways market. Price was above the 200 EMA. That was a beautiful breakout. After the breakout pullback, as soon as the price hit to the first target, explain my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see guys how we had such a nice beautiful long trade on EURUSD. Pound dollar. Okay, so pound dollar, if you look at here, again more or less the same pattern. We really had enjoyed all this really from last week, but if you haven't seen my last week analysis review, video link is given in the video description. So today we were long, or bias was long, exactly more or less the same pattern like EURUSD. Price broken this and we were expecting a long trade here. After this candle, most of the traders, they were thinking probably we're going to have short trade here, and I explained to my trader, look for here, we are expecting another pullback at this level. Price broken this trend resistance and looking for another pullback long, which price nicely developed at the New York session. Let me share with you the intraday analysis at the Asian session. We had amazing trade guys, beautiful trade. If you look at the this was the Asian session, you can see here that in its analysis, price nicely developed a symmetry triangle pattern. Momentum was bullish. We had a, because if you look at the price structure, that's what we explained to trader. Look here, the price broken this high. So I said to my trader, as long as price stay above this level, you can see a broken retest. So expecting another pullback, safer trade for this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken after the breakout. As always, pullback one. If the price broken recent high, another scaling trade. As soon as the price hit to the previous highs in 4 hour, that's what explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. And let's see at the New York session. So bank amazing profit. We had really beautiful long trade here. And after the hitting the target, price developed this pattern. Explained to my trader, look for, and this channel is broken. So we first, if the price is going to respect this level, then we're taking a short trade here. Then we're taking a counter short trade here. As you can see here, the price broken. And after the breakout, price retest. Once we have this level, that's what I explained, guys. The price is respecting it. So let's wait if the price is going to develop another pattern. So we bank another few pp's as a counter short trade here. And at the New York session, as you can see here, I said to my trader, look for this breakout because the price was around 200 EMA. So I say, guys, this is another pattern is developed. So look like another bearish flag pattern. So we're expecting another long here. Let's see. As you can see here, price nicely broken, and that's once the price broken the major channel, and that's what explain my trade. Just keep taking a pullback. So you can see a 1 2 3 4 5 beautiful trade here. And as soon as the price hit to the previous high, just right now, I said to my trader, like, guys, I'm done for the day. Let's close all the positions before the market closed. So we bank amazing profit on pound dollar. All right, price still going it. So now it looks like the price is going to reverse. So let's see next week. Okay, so dollar CAD, we had amazing trade, guys. As you see in my yesterday analysis, we had the short trade here in 4 hour. If I explain to you here, we had the short trade here. As soon as the price respected, we had a short trade here, bank beautiful pips, and explain to my trader at the Asian session, if the price is going to break, then keep taking a pullback short trade here. So we really had all these trades, enjoyed it, everything. As always, we were expecting possibility of pullback long trade here. Price nicely developed. If you look at here, that's what I explained to my trader. If you look at here, price respected here previously and respected here, and expecting here price might going to respect, possibility of counter if the price gonna break, short trade here. So at the New York session, we have this long trade here, beautiful trade, long trade. So we both enjoyed from Asian session and London, in Asian session and London morning. New York session, we also had the short trade here. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries and exit in intraday to refine the entries and help my traders to bank amazing profit, guys. If you look at the, okay, so this was the this was the trade yesterday, breakout trade, if you have seen it. And at the Asian session, as explained, once we bank some profit, you can see here at the Asian session, explained to my trader, look for another breakout. And you look at here, we have another sort of like a bearish flag pattern, beautiful. You can see here, beautiful breakout. After the breakout, price nicely, another pullback. As soon as the price was about to develop double bottom, explain my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit in the morning. So once we bank some profit, as explained, to look for another pullback. If the price is going to break the previous low, take another short trade here. We have another short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the support trend line, explain my trader, you can enjoy some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. And at the New York session, as you can see here, sort of price develop inverted head and shoulder pattern as well, as you can see here. But explain my trader, price develop another falling wedge. You can see here, that was the beautiful breakout long trade here. As explained, my trader, first target would be this level. And if price develop another pullback, once the price develop and break the major price structure, beautiful. You can see breakout, pullback. We announce all these through live audio commentary. Once the price hit around this level, we were expecting possibility of short here. So explain my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. As you can see, guys, how we analyze market in 4 hour and how we analyze entries and exit in intraday and banking profit every single day. I hope you enjoyed it. You can see as soon as we bank some profit, price came down. So you can see, guys, how we analyze the market. All right, as always mentioned, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. That's the interesting part of it. Or if you are struggling in forex trading, this is a platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time with the live market, with the live audio commentary support. And once you develop your trading skill, I can also help you to get funded. If you are interested how I coach and train my trader every single day through live market, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So most welcome, guys. Join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.